Darci Hether, New York. Whether your project is across the street or across country, we can handle all of your design needs. From full gut renovation to ground up construction to fully furnished interiors, we've got you covered. From conception to completion, our full service approach ensures that your residential interiors are meticulously crafted to reflect your vision and unique desires. We love integrating distinctive custom pieces, including upholstery, built-in, and lighting that looks just like jewelry, all curated specifically for your space and tailored to your individual preferences. We take pride in expanding your design horizon by incorporating fabrics and colors that may surprise and delight you, resulting in a truly bespoke interiors that exceeds your expectations. Our concierge-level interior design services are tailored to your needs. Being exceptionally organized, communicating proactively, and partnering with the best trades and vendors, we oversee every aspect of your design process. Your home will be transformed into your own personal sanctuary, one that reflects your personal style and taste. And the best part? You don't have to lift a finger. We can't wait to meet you.